In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable file in WordPress quick and easy. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable download link or button on your site's homepage, and you'll know how to test that it works. Before we start, have the URL of the file you want people to download ready. That could be a document, a PDF, or any file type your site allows. Keeping the file name short and clear helps users recognize what they're getting. Begin by opening your WordPress dashboard and heading into the site editor, specifically the home template. The site editor lets you change the layout and content of your homepage without touching code, so it's the perfect place to add a download link that's visible and easy to find. Once you're in the home template, click into the area where you want the download to live. This might be a section near the top of the page, a featured area, or even a footer note if you want it to appear site-wide. Select the block you plan to modify, such as a paragraph, a button, or a group where a button will go. Choosing a prominent location improves visibility and clicks. Next, edit or insert the link. If you're using a button, change its text to something clear like download, then open the link settings for that button and paste your file's URL. If you're using text, highlight the words you want to be clickable, add the link, and confirm. When available, set the link to open in a new tab. Some themes and plugins also offer a download attribute or similar setting, which can prompt the browser to download rather than open the file. Use it if offered. Now save your changes. WordPress may ask you to confirm saving the template and any related parts. Review the summary so you know exactly what's being updated, then confirm. Saving consistently ensures your changes are pushed to the live site. Return to your sites list or the main dashboard view, then open your site on the front end. It's a good idea to test in a private or incognito window so you see what visitors see, unaffected by your admin session or caching. Find the new download link or button and click it. The file should download or open, depending on the visitor's browser and file type. If it doesn't work as expected, double-check the URL you pasted, confirm the file is publicly accessible, and make sure the file type is allowed by your site. If the file is large, consider compressing it for faster downloads. That's it, your downloadable file is now live and easy for